In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at one of the most popular and versatile fruits, the lemon. This is an ingredient that is not only a staple in many kitchens around the globe, but also serves an essential function across a wide range of industries. Have you ever wondered how such a small fruit can be used in so many incredible ways? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of lemons, from their harvest all the way to becoming the essential products we use every day. After the lemons are harvested, they are transported to a sorting facility, where the next stage of their journey begins. Upon arrival, the lemons are carefully unloaded and sorted based on their quality. This process is crucial to ensure that only the best lemons make it to the store shelves and eventually into your hands. Any lemons that are bruised, discolored, or do not meet the quality standards are either discarded or sometimes used for other purposes, such as juice extraction or essential oil production. Lemon trees are often propagated through grafting. A method ensures the new tree inherits the best characteristics from the parent tree. The grafting process begins by selecting a branch from the parent tree with desirable traits and attaching it to the rootstock of another tree with strong vitality. The grafting point is tightly secured to allow the two parts to fuse together. After some time, the grafted branch will grow, forming a new tree with robust growth and fruiting earlier than those grown from seeds. Lemon grafting not only saves time, but also optimizes the production process, ensuring higher yield and quality. The lemon harvesting process seamlessly blends traditional methods with modern technology. Many farmers still prefer hand-picking techniques, which require a high level of meticulousness and precision. This manual approach allows farmers to select lemons at the exact moment they reach perfect ripeness, ensuring the highest possible quality. Farmers carefully twist the lemon to detach it from the tree without causing any damage, as even a small bruise on the fruit can lower its value and shorten its shelf life. Once picked, the lemons are gently placed in baskets or buckets, avoiding unnecessary pressure to maintain the freshness and quality of each individual fruit. On larger farms, machines are used to improve efficiency and harvesting speed. These harvesters, powered by hydraulic or electric engines, gently shake the tree canopy, causing the lemons to fall onto catch frames or conveyor belts. This method provides superior efficiency and can significantly increase output, though it also poses challenges, as it may damage the tree canopy. After the lemons are harvested, they are transported to a sorting facility, where the next stage of their journey begins. Upon arrival, the lemons are carefully unloaded and sorted based on their quality. This process is crucial to ensure that only the best lemons make it to the store shelves and eventually into your hands. Any lemons that are bruised, discolored, or do not meet the quality standards are either discarded or sometimes used for other purposes, such as juice extraction or essential oil production. These sorting machines are advanced devices equipped with artificial intelligence technology, enabling them to detect not only external defects but also internal imperfections in the lemons that the human eye cannot discern. The system operates with high precision, meticulously analyzing each fruit. The application of this cutting-edge technology has significantly enhanced the efficiency and accuracy of lemon processing, optimizing large-scale production while maintaining the highest quality standards. Once sorted, the lemons go through a thorough cleaning process. They are placed in large water tanks to remove dirt, debris, or pesticide residues that may be on the surface. Gentle water sprays and air blowing systems are used to ensure the lemons are cleaned without damaging their delicate skin. After being cleaned and dried, the lemons are ready for packaging. When shipped to wholesale markets, lemons are usually packed in large, sturdy boxes designed specifically to hold large quantities of fruit while ensuring their safety. These boxes are carefully arranged to minimize bruising and damage during transport. In retail markets, lemons are typically packed in mesh bags which allow for good airflow, helping to extend the fruit's shelf life. Mesh bags also make it easier to handle and display the product, providing convenience for both retailers and consumers. In addition to fresh lemon exports, lemon juice production is also a rapidly growing industry. After being cleaned, the lemons are processed in high-capacity juicing systems that extract the juice quickly and efficiently. This process takes place in a sterile environment to ensure food safety. Once the juice is extracted, it is filtered to remove pulp and seeds, then undergoes sterilization and automatic bottling. The final product retains its fresh flavor, ensuring high quality and ready for global consumers. We've just explored the journey of lemons from harvesting to processing in the factory. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the complex process behind creating lemon products. If you found this video interesting and helpful, leave a comment to share your thoughts with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next one. Welcome to the largest pumpkin farm in the United States. Today we'll take an in-depth look at the expansive fields that span thousands of acres, showcasing the impressive scale and operation of pumpkin cultivation in America. We'll explore the vast area dedicated to pumpkin farming, delve into the detailed process from planting to harvest, and highlight the significant production volumes that make this farm a leader in the industry. Get ready to witness how millions of pumpkins are grown, harvested, processed, and prepared for both local and international markets. The journey of a pumpkin begins with the selection of the right variety. There are over 300 different varieties of pumpkins grown in the United States, but the classic orange pumpkin is the most popular and recognizable. The cultivation process starts in mid-June when the seeding takes place. Illinois is currently the state with the largest pumpkin growing area in the country, utilizing about 15,900 acres of land. Seeding machines are employed to plant around 4,000 seeds per acre. Apart from Illinois, states like California, Indiana, Michigan, and Texas also have large pumpkin growing areas. Before the seeds are sown, the soil must be prepared. This involves tilling the land to ensure it is loose and well drained, which is essential for pumpkin growth. Farmers also test the soil to determine if it has the right pH and nutrient levels. If necessary, they add fertilizers to enrich the soil, providing a good start for the pumpkin seeds. Once the seeds are sown, the next crucial step is installing an efficient plumbing system for irrigation. Pumpkin plants typically require about 1 inch of water per week throughout their life cycle. This watering is usually done early in the morning to ensure the plants get the necessary moisture without causing fungal growth. The time from seeding to harvest can vary depending on the type of pumpkin planted. In Illinois, for example, the pumpkins usually need about 4 months to reach maturity. Farmers must be vigilant during this period, ensuring the plants are free from pests and diseases and receiving adequate nutrients. Integrated Pest Management, EPM, strategies are commonly used to minimize the use of chemicals while effectively controlling pests. Mulching is another important practice in pumpkin farming. It helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulches like straw or compost are often used for this purpose. Most pumpkin farms in the United States begin their harvest in mid-October. This is when the pumpkins are fully grown and ready to be picked. For instance, a typical pumpkin harvest on a 4-acre farm in Ohio sees pumpkins weighing about 40 pounds each. On smaller farms, the harvest is often carried out by family members. In 2023, Ohio's pumpkin production was approximately 70 million pounds. The harvest process for pumpkins involves cutting them from the vines and carefully transporting them to avoid bruising. On large farms, mechanical harvesters are used to pick and sort pumpkins efficiently. These machines handle the pumpkins gently, reducing the risk of damage. In contrast, smaller farms rely on manual labor, using tools like knives or shears to cut and place the pumpkins into baskets or containers. After harvesting, the pumpkins are cured in the field for about 10 days. This process allows the skin to harden, which helps extend their shelf life and enhances their flavor by concentrating natural sugars. The curing process is crucial for protecting the pumpkins from pests and diseases, ensuring they stay fresh longer. After harvesting, pumpkins undergo a detailed process of sorting, washing, and processing. This process includes cutting, cooking, and pureeing the pumpkins for canned products or preparing them for fresh market sales. During sorting, any damaged or substandard pumpkins are removed to ensure only the best quality ones proceed. After sorting, the pumpkins are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and contaminants. Processing facilities equipped with state-of-the-art technology then handle large quantities efficiently. These facilities ensure that the pumpkins are processed quickly and hygienically, maintaining high quality and safety standards throughout. Pumpkins intended for pie filling or other culinary uses undergo additional steps such as peeling, steaming, and mashing. These processed pumpkin products are then packaged in various forms, including cans, jars, and frozen packs. The waste generated during processing, such as pumpkin skins and seeds, is often repurposed. Pumpkin seeds can be roasted and sold as snacks, while the pulp can be used as animal feed or composted. The export process for pumpkins involves sorting and packing them in sturdy, breathable containers to maintain freshness. They are then transported in climate-controlled containers to prevent damage and spoilage. Controlled containers to prevent damage and spoilage. The U.S. exports a large portion of its pumpkins, requiring strict standards and careful coordination with shipping companies and customs authorities. This ensures the pumpkins reach their destination in optimal condition, maintaining quality and freshness throughout the journey. Proper documentation and adherence to import regulations are also crucial to avoid delays and ensure smooth transit. Exporting pumpkins involves meeting various countries' import regulations, including standards for pesticide residues, quality grades, and packaging specifications. Exporters must ensure pesticide levels are within limits and that pumpkins meet size, color, and condition standards. Packaging must preserve freshness and prevent damage during transit. Pumpkins are exported both as whole produce and as processed products like canned pumpkin puree. These products must also meet health and safety standards, ensuring they are free from contaminants and processed hygienically. Compliance with these regulations is essential for smooth trade and maintaining a good reputation in international markets. In 2023, the United States saw a significant increase in pumpkin production and export. The process of cultivating, harvesting, processing, and exporting pumpkins in the United States is a meticulous and well-coordinated effort that ensures the pumpkins reach consumers in perfect condition. From the initial seeding in mid-June to the final export shipments, every step is carefully managed to maintain the quality and quantity of the harvest. The 2023 statistics highlight the country's ability to produce and export large quantities of pumpkins, reinforcing its position as a major player in the global pumpkin market. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the pumpkin farms of the United States. I hope you found it as fascinating and informative as I did. Stay tuned for more agricultural adventures and explorations of different farming practices and crops in future videos. See you next time.